This is a service to Rochdale.
Tram.
The next stop will be Durka.
Yes, so this is a tram. Yes, it's tram to Manchester. Manchester. I think we're going to be on it for 30 minutes. Solid.
आप अपनी मामू के साथ रहती है ना? So बस आप मानसपीर में? Forest Town.
Yeah. So we're just waiting. It's gonna start moving again in a minute. It's scary.
It takes 5
But look how high we are. Okay.
to reach.
I think we're moving. Oh yeah, we are. Look how we are. Manchester, I think we're in the town centre. So I think we can come all the way up there. Now I'm in the town centre. I am cold. It's so cold outside too. It is really cold. There's light down there. You can need to see how fast it's moving. Oh, there you go. It's speeding up. It's definitely speeding up. I think it's speeding up because I don't think there's another tram station in a while. And we are like, where are we? We're on the bridge. And what happened to the tram left and right? Oh, a tram just passed. Hey! Another tram just passed us. Oh, tram. Let's see. They were going that way. And now we have, I don't know if that's called the ship. Yeah, I think it is. And the tram station. Oh, here. This is a parking garage. And this could be a parking garage. I think this is a parking.
This is a service to Rochdale.
This is just
The next stop will be Shoreham Compton.
crazy. But guys, I can only record for 3 more minutes, unfortunately. 2 more minutes, unfortunately. So, yeah. And here we go. Woo! I tried to record most of it. Okay. The tram goes. Oh, we're taking a turn here. Guys, prepare for a turn in the tram. Okay, there is turning. Yep, we're turning. You guys don't feel it, but the tram is turning. Now, do you not feel it? Not feel how fast it's going. I'm not this stop. This is my second time on a tram. First time it was also today, it was this morning, but no, it wasn't this morning. It was like an hour ago. And that was like 2 minutes. Because the tram was dead. And it's already at the next station. So that was like for like 2 minutes. It's very cold. That was like, oh, there's another tram. Nice. Why are we going so slow? And then, oh man, we just sped up. Now I want to decide to drive around the town. It's a sunset. It's a beautiful sunset. Right now I'm in Old House, which is right next to Manchester. So I'm in the town center right now. there's a river down there. You guys can't see it, but right, there's a river. And then we also have a dried out river. And then we reach another station. The other side. No, we are not. It just slows down and then now it's going.